Don't buy into the lie of Mormonism. He was in the beginning with God. All things were made through him. And without him was not anything made that was made. Jesus created everything. This is another point of contention between Christians and the supposed Christians called Mormons. They're not Christians, because true Mormon doctrine teaches that Lucifer and Jesus are spirit brothers, the offspring of Elohim. Like that Elohim actually reproduced Jesus and Lucifer, that they are spirit brothers. That may be what the Book of Mormon teaches. It is not what the Bible teaches. The Bible teaches that all things were made through Jesus, and without Jesus was not anything made that was made. That includes Lucifer. Jesus cannot be Lucifer's spirit brother if Jesus created Lucifer, because all things were created through him, and without him was not anything made that was made.